Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix images not showing in Shift4Shop. So actually guys, if you see images not showing in Shift4Shop, it usually means your images are not loading on your storefront or admin panel, and this can be caused by broken links, browser cache, or upload issues. So at first guys, you will need of course to check the image URLs. So you will need to go to the products in Shift4Shop admin, and then just go with products, and right there on the edit product section you will need to check the image URL under images and videos, and make sure the URL is correct and the file exists on the server and no typos in the file name, and avoid spaces or special characters of course in the file name, so you can use dots and the normal space, the normal characters and file names. Okay, also I'd really advise you to go ahead with the three dots on the top right corner of the browser, and then just go with the settings right here. And after that, all you need to do here is to go with the left hand menu and click on the privacy and security option. And here under the privacy and security section, you will need to go and click on the first option. It's delete browsing data. So right here, just select or check mark the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached images and files, and download history. And then just go with delete data for one last hour. Go back and recheck if the issue is still going on. Go with last 24, last 7 days extra. And then just go back to check each try. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.